Hello, my name is Amit Dhyani. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 78. So the problem description is saying that we have given a integer array called nums and it contains unique element and we have to return all possible subsets. Okay, so let's assume our set contain only two elements 1 comma 2. Okay, then what are the possible subsets of this set is either take the empty set or take 1, take 2 or take both of them 1 comma 2. Okay, this is how we find the subset of 1 comma 2. Okay, let's assume we have three elements 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so how we can find the total number of subsets for these three elements? Okay, if you can see, we have already solved the total number of subsets for 1 comma 2. We have only one extra element which is 3. Now 3 has two choices. First, either join the subsets which is created by 1 comma 2 or do not join the subsets. What I want to say is that let's assume take this set. Okay, 3 has two options. Okay, either join this set or do not join this set. So if 3 join these sets, then the set become 3, and if 3 does not join this set, the set will remain empty. Okay, now check for the other set, this set contain only 1. So if 3 join this one, the set become 1 comma 3. If 3 does not join this set remain only 1 only. Okay, now for the third option 2, again 3 has two choices, either join this party or do not join the party. So if C join the set, then the set become 2 comma 3. If 3 does not join the set, it remain 2. Okay, check for last one 1 comma 2, again two choices, join the set or do not join the set. If 3 join the set, then the set become 1 comma 2 comma 3. If 3 does not join the set remain same. Okay, so this is the whole logic that I am gonna use today to solve this problem of finding total number of subsets. So what I will do, I will find all. So let's assume if I want to find the total number of subset having 3 elements. Okay, so what I will do, I will first find the number of subset having 2 elements. Then for the third element, I have two choices, either join the party or do not join the party. Okay, let's see the recursive tree, then things will get much clearer. Okay, so this is my recursive tree. Okay, I have to find what are our aim. Our aim is to find total number of subsets. Okay, or find okay, it is not total number, actually total sets or total subsets of the sets. Okay, yeah, all the subsets. Okay, so how we will solve this question? So I'm at 1. Okay, so currently we are having, so let's assume this is my set which is storing my current set. So initially it is empty. Okay, so one has two options, either join the current set or do not join the current set. What happen when one join the current set? The set become 1. Okay, if one does not join this current set, then this current set become empty only. Okay, and we have already solved this problem for 1. Now I will move to I will move my iterator to the next element. Okay, so I only 1 2 3 is there. One is I already processed 1. Now the next element is 2 comma 3. Okay, here also the next element is 2 comma 3. Okay, so now I am at 2. Okay, so what I did, in the previous step I pick 1. In this one I do not pick 1. Okay, now in this one again I have two choices for the 2, either to join the party or to do not join the party. Okay, so what will happen if 2 join the party, which means what will happen if I will pick 2 in my current set. Okay, if I will pick 2 in my current set, my current set will become 1 comma 2. And if I will not pick 2, okay, if I will do not pick 2, then my current set will remain same. It will be remain same 1, and I already processed 2. Now the only element left is 3. Okay, now I'm at 3. Okay, let's solve the same problem for the this right subtree. Okay, so I'm at 2. Now I have two options, either pick 2 or do not pick 2. Okay, let's assume I pick 2, and then right side I do not pick 2. So if I already pick 2, I have the current set of this empty. If I pick 2, then my set will become 2. Okay, and if I will not pick 2, which means I'm not adding 2 in this current set, then my set will become empty only. Okay, so again 2 is processed. We are left with only one element, which is 3. I guess this is making sense. Okay, so in this one we have this set, we have this set, we have this set left, and we have this set left. Okay, so let process 3. For 3 again we have two choices, either pick 3 or do not pick 3. Okay, pick 3 means 3 will join the party or it will not join the party. So when 3 will join the party, our set will become 1, 2, 3. If it will not join the party, our set will become 1 comma 2 only. Okay, similarly for this one, 3 can join the party or it will not join the party. If it will join the party, pick or don't pick. If it will join the party, then set will become 1 comma 3. If it will not pick the party, like it will not join the party, then set will remain same 1. Now check for these 3. Either it will join the party or it will not join the party. Pick or do not pick. If it will join the party, then it will be like 2 comma 3. If it will not join the party, then it will remain 2. For 3 also, either I will pick it, I will do not pick it. If I will pick it, it will remain 3. If I will do not pick it, it will remain empty. Okay, so I'm left with 0 element. Okay, like all the indexes are processed, I'm left with 0 index. What I will do, whatever the set I got, this is nothing but a subset. Okay, so how many subsets I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is how we are solving this problem. So what I am doing, so I'm taking, so let's see this thing again. So I'm taking one index and one as current set. Okay, at any point I have two choices, either pick this element or do not pick this element. What I mean by picking or not picking, picking means just add this element to my current set, or do not add this element to my current set. If I will add, then my current set will become 1. If I will not add, then my current set will become still empty. Now 1 is already processed. Now I will move my pointer to the next element, which is 2. For 2, I have two choices, either pick or do not pick. Okay, if I will pick, then I will add 2 in my current set. Okay, if I will not pick, I will not add 2 into my current set. Okay, this is how this thing is going. Okay, so this is a very beautiful example of the recursion. Okay, so what I'm doing, so at each point I'm doing two things. Either I'm picking the element, at each node I have two things, either I will pick or either I will not pick. Okay, let us assume I'm at the index idx. Okay, so what will happen to the what will happen when I will pick? When I will pick, then I will add that element into my current, which means current. In the current element, I will just add the element, which is nothing but nums of idx. Okay, I will add the element. Okay, when I'm not picking, I will just pass the current only. Okay, I will not add any element. Okay, then what I will do, so this idx is already processed. What I will do, I will move my idx to next element, which means I will again solve this sub problem. Okay, with index with move by 1, and I will use my current. Okay, in this one also I will use my same problem to solve the next indexes. Okay, the index will be processed by 1 and I will use the same current. Okay, this is how I am solving. Okay, so this is my recursive method. So let's assume solve is the method which I am using to solve the above problem. IDX is my index, nums is the array, current is the current subset which is storing the element, and answer is my, okay, let me use result. Okay, so result is my the final 2D array which is storing the total subsets. Okay, so I have two choices, either not pick the element or either pick the element. Okay, what will happen if I will not pick the element? So what I will do, I will not add my element into my current. I will just pass the same current. Okay, I will increment my index by 1 and I will pass the same nums and result as it is. Okay, what happen if I will pick the element? When I will pick the element, so in this case, when I am picking the element, I am pushing this element, the index element, into my current array. Okay, same thing. What I am doing, I am pushing the current element into my this array. Okay, and then I will again call the same method. Okay, and the index is moving by 1 point ahead, and this is the same current value and nums and result. Okay, now one thing is left. What is base condition? Base condition means when to stop my recursion. So when I am stopping my recursion at this point, okay, which means when I am processed all my indexes, then I will stop my recursion. Okay, so the base condition is that when index is at the end. Okay, when index is equal to num size, then what I will do, so result is the 2D array which is storing all the subsets. Then at the end, what I will do, I will just store whatever I am getting in the current. I will just store this thing into my result. Okay, so what I am doing, result dot pushback current. Okay, so this is our code for solving this problem. So we have this function called subsets. Okay, it is taking nums as an input. So I am finding total number of size of the nums, and I am taking the current current array. Okay, and I'm taking one more array, 2D array, which is storing the result, and I'm calling my solve method, which is nothing but a recursive method. Okay, so this method will take nums and the current index, okay, the current subsets, and the result will store all the subsets. Okay, so first I have two choices, either do not pick it or pick it. Okay, if I will not pick it, then I will call the same method. Okay, and I will increment my index by 1. Okay, if I will pick it, then what I will do, I will just push the current element into my current subset. Okay, and then I will recursively call the solve method again. Okay, and what is the base condition? Base condition is that when my index is greater than or equal to n, then I will say that I am done with all the indexes. I will just push my current into my result. Okay, so I hope you like this video.